Why is Scratch important? Yeah.
Whoa.
Scratch
Okay.
Scratch is important because it's an initiative, fun way of learning. Many skills can be learned by using Scratch. You can learn just by programming, and you can learn much more from educational projects made in Scratch. People may be more willing and able to learn if they think of it as a game or competition, which you can make.
What is Scratch? On Scratch, you make code by dragging, dropping, and connecting blocks. You can be creative, and it can increase many academic skills such as math and logic. You can make programs on Scratch to help people do things like make a game, to help someone's memory, or to practice mathematics.
History of Scratch. Development of Scratch started in 2003. Since then, Scratch and the amount of people who use it have grown massively and now contains over 7 million projects. People from all ages, toddlers and college students, have used, enjoyed, and learned from Scratch. Sprites and scripts. Sprites and scripts are the two most important things as a Scratch programmer. Script is a line of code invisible to the project while you're using it, that you create for it, using the blocks yourself you know about. Scripts are what makes your project do what it does. And without them, the screen is what you'll use, and not just viewing, not programming. So these are all the different things. Each one has a line showing where it goes. And we hope you enjoy the tutorial and that you enjoy Scratch. Here's a link to Simple Math. Practice project in Maine. Thanks for reading this. Now go have fun with Scratch. We put a little credits in to give credit to people. Scratch Wiki for pictures and information. Founders of Scratch, Melissa and Stephen Jones. And thanks to our teammate Lucas Bend, who made the Scratch math game. Has done a whole bunch for presentations and our team. And then we have the game here. So what it is Lucas Beck, he's right here. He built this game. What it does is it asks you the problem. It asks you the problem, and then in the box you just type the answer, and it'll say yes you got right or no you got wrong. And if you don't, if you miss a number or something, it's at the top of the screen so you can see it. And if you get it correct, it'll add one. But if you get it wrong, it will subtract the wrongs from the correct. And then it says the world record is 50. Yeah, up there it says the world record is 50. So that's just a start. Yeah, that's all there to go. Well, yeah. And if you get one wrong, Cammy got higher than it just resets it to 50. And that's our project. We are the Lego language leaders.
We also have a whole tutorial with like the definitions of blocks.
But that's 36 slides. Yeah.
Okay, what are you showing us?
Huh?
What did you say? I'm sorry.
We also have a longer one, but that was 36 slides.
Okay.
What was the purpose of the longer one?
The purpose of the longer one was to tell you every little thing about Scratch. It told you what lots of what the blocks did.
And it did something. And it did it a lot in a much longer fashion.
Okay, is that your presentation?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's great.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
What was going to be my school this week?
Oh yeah. Code.org.
Okay, so tell me how you came about what's the issue you're trying to resolve, or the problem you're trying to resolve?
That you can do many things on Scratch that it can help you as like learning how to make learning easier and more fun.
Okay. But what was your, when you got together as a group, what was the problem that you wanted to attack, wanted to solve?
A lot of kids weren't encouraged to keep learning, so we wanted to encourage them to keep.
Because most like flashcards aren't very bright.
They're not very fun to
Yeah,
do.
so by getting to do it on a game, it gives you that feeling like I kind of want to keep going.
And
you wanna
the
try to beat-
scoreboard and the world record helps add a competition sense to it,
And they
that
want to try to
gives
beat
them the world record
Okay.
to keep going.
What do you get if you beat the world record?
Well, it's just like a
Pride.
Yeah.
Okay.
It like bumps it up to like 100.
No, it bumps it
up to whatever you got. That's above. Oh, I thought.
All right, yeah. And we also kind of came in mind with this theme by the hour of code. So our school every day would be 15 minutes. And on the last day it was Scratch. Of course, we all already knew what Scratch was, so we just aced that. But that's what really gave us the thing to do this.
So when you were trying to tackle your problem, how to make learning more fun or more enjoyable, what were some of the things that you looked at, that you researched first before you came up with Scratch? Or was there anything else?
There was like how people originally knew different languages.
Yeah, we were
Yeah,
doing
we
like
were-
languages, and then Lucas Fenn, he's right here. He was in the credits. He really gave us that idea because he's been doing Scratch for 4 years, so he really knows all the terms.
He brought it up in a meeting, and it really stuck with us, and we decided to do that for our research project.
And that's why we chose this.
And did you share this or the other presentation with anyone else?
Yes, we shared it with the team and another class in our
Yeah,
school.
we
Yeah.
shared it with the
And
team.
that project is shared online too.
Yeah.
The 30 cents.
So Scratch is, we've seen other schools using Scratch to develop programs. So what do you bring that's unique to Scratch that others haven't considered?
There wasn't really a full complete tutorial right there. To use when you start Scratch.
But it's different from other things because, like code, they have you doing certain specific things, but Scratch you can make whatever you want out of it.
I made this really weird one where it's just a parrot that just flies.
I made an orange game.
I made
But
a
it's-
really dirty game.
In code.org or other ones, they have specific challenges for you to do, but in Scratch you can make your own game or lesson, and you can share it, and other people can make that.
So one of you mentioned the other video, the longer one. Is that tutorial that you made as a group?
Yes.
We made them both. We made the first one and then realized we would not be able to do it in 5 minutes. Made a copy and cut out the slides that weren't the best, like that weren't. So
That weren't really
mostly
necessary.
mostly
blocks.
the block slides. We like made a list of all the blocks, gave a little definition again. Lucas did all the definitions for this video. And we just
Cut it out and
Yeah,
made
we
it.
wouldn't really need those because yeah.
So the tutorial explains how to use Scratch or how
Yes,
to develop
yes.
it.
It tells like history, and then of course we added the credits where we got most of our information from the Scratch wiki, which is cool because they actually have a whole Wikipedia page for Scratch.
And while we were picking the site, we actually took time to go on and try Scratch out ourselves. For those who haven't tried it.
Yeah, that way we would know what we were talking about.
Can you tell me how long Scratch has been available? You said 4 years, but
Well, the first version was released in 2007.
So it's been a while.
so why Scratch above all other
It's-
languages?
Well,
Because it's
free to
easier
play.
for people to use because instead of typing in code, you can drag and drop blocks, so it makes it more easier to understand.
Yeah, and the blocks are color coded, so you can tell.
Yeah, so it's and also
It's not like
without
there's also
without like Scratch,
we wouldn't have computers or like a lot of things in technology. People they had to program the computers and all of that, so it kind of shows you how to program your own game.
They also have a built-in tutorial you can touch in Scratch while you're building it. So if you're a new person, you can touch it and it goes through a lot of directions to do it.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, and you have a username, so it's not like somebody can
Scan you.
Right.